Hello everybody, I would like to talk about Siri and HomePod. It is really easy to use Siri with the HomePod because you don't have to have any devices in your hand and the commands are really easy, even for the not native English people. I'm starting with the weather commands. Hey Siri, what is the temperature right now?
It's -2 degrees outside.
Hey Siri, what is the weather?
It's currently cloudy and -2 degrees. Expect mostly clear skies starting in the afternoon. Temperatures are heading down from -1 degrees to -4 tonight.
Hey Siri, what's the weather this week?
Expect both mostly cloudy skies and clear skies between today and Sunday. Daytime temperatures will start around -1 degree and eventually reach 6 by Friday, before dropping back down to around 3, with overnight lows between -7 and -1.
Hey Siri, what is the capital city of the Czech Republic?
Prague is the capital of Czech Republic.
Hey Siri, who is the Prime Minister of the Czech Republic?
Petr Fiala is the Prime Minister of the Czech Republic.
Hey Siri, tell me something about Brno.
Brno is a city in the South Moravian region of the Czech Republic, located at the confluence of the Svitava and Spratka rivers. Brno has about 380,000 inhabitants, making it the second largest city in the Czech Republic after the capital Prague, and one of the 100 largest cities of the EU. That was from Wikipedia. Should I keep going?
No, thank you. Siri is really good integrated with the Apple Music, and I will show you some really helpful commands. Hey Siri, play CeeLo Green.
Okay, here's CeeLo Green.
You can have also your playlist and play it on Apple Music. Hey Siri, play my playlist, Mini Disco playlist.
Now playing Minidisco English, Minidisco holiday songs.
This is the playlist for my little daughter. Hey Siri, next. Hey Siri, previews. Hey Siri, volume up. Hey Siri, volume down. You can have a command with a specific song. Hey Siri, play CeeLo Green Satisfy.
Now playing Satisfied by CeeLo Green.
Hey Siri, volume up. You can be not that strict about the album. You can say like that. Hey Siri, play new album from Adele.
30 by Adele now playing.
I'll be taking flowers to the cemetery of my heart.
Or you can have some personal commands. It is really helpful when you are just prepare some dinner or something and you you don't have to have devices in your hand. Hey Siri, do I have any appointment tomorrow?
Yes, you have 3 appointments. On Wednesday at 11 a.m., meeting with Hansa. At 12:20 p.m., lunch with Jane. And at 5 p.m. by a dinner at Halong.
Hey Siri, stop. Or you can have a command with a specific appointment. Hey Siri, make appointment John dinner today at 5 p.m.
You have an appointment about Jonah dinner that overlaps with this. Should I schedule your appointment about John dinner today from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. anyway?
Yes.
It's on your calendar for today from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. The appointment is called John dinner.
Or you can translate the sentences. It is easy, and I'm starting right now. Hey Siri, what a beautiful day today. Translate to Spanish.
I didn't find any appointments about A Beautiful for today.
Hey Siri, what a beautiful day today. Translate to Spanish.
In Spanish, what a beautiful day today is.
Qué hermoso día hoy.
Hey Siri, I have a really good family and my wife is really beautiful. Translate to Spanish.
In Spanish, I have a really good family and my wife is really beautiful is.
Tengo una muy buena familia y mi esposa es muy hermosa.
Yo creo que esta cosa es muy buena. And I think that it's really helpful when you are using Siri on HomePod, and you can use it also when you want to put 1 degree up with your thermostat, or when you try to set up special light. And you can also use HomePod as intercom. It's really helpful when you have more than one HomePods. And this is it. Thank you for the watching, and I will be really appreciate when you like this video. See you. Bye.